Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Business Growth Guide. My name is Bobby and I'm with the Local Objective. So you're probably wondering, what is this Business Growth Guide all about? So over the years, a ton of my friends, clients, and family have asked me, what are some different tools and resources and things that I can use for my business to help get to the next level? And so what I've done is I've taken all of my favorite tips, templates, guides, and over 20 plus different resources to really help you guys get your business to the next level. So let me show you guys what this growth guide is all about. So hack number 6 is all about marketing pages. So this is where our marketing messaging is going to come into play, but also our value ladder, our customer avatar, and our business model are actually going to be super helpful here. So if you guys haven't checked out those first 3 videos on the value ladder, the customer avatar, and the lean canvas business model, I'd highly suggest you guys go back and check those out because those are really going to help set a foundation here in the marketing pages. So let's jump in. So marketing pages allows you to utilize simple and advanced technology. So really, when we talk about marketing pages, we want to use things like automation. We want to use things like segmenting. We want to actually make sure that we're using some of the awesome tools that there are out there for us today. So marketing pages are also designed for selling versus informing, which websites are designed for informing. We want to actually make sure that we are taking our potential customer and actually taking them specifically to the offer or the product that it is that we are trying to actually get out. So this is super big. It also allows for automation, segmenting, funneling, as I mentioned before, easy to manage, specials, offers, deals, and other stuff like that. So when we have a website, it's kind of hard to keep updated on all the different specials, offers, deals, and stuff that we're doing. So we like to use marketing pages where you literally won't even see our website. You'll actually only see these marketing pages because we're actually pushing these marketing pages out via advertising, through social media, through our email campaigns. Really, we're going to actually offer a link to people that has this particular thing that it is that they're looking for. So marketing pages are also made for testing. So this is really one of the awesome things about marketing pages. We want to make sure that we're testing. As I spoke about in the first video, we really want to make sure that we are testing as much as possible. So A/B testing, if you're not familiar with the split testing, this is really where we actually take two different concepts and literally test them. And sometimes they're small concepts, sometimes they're large. You could be testing the color, you could be testing the size of a button, you could be testing the location of a button, you could be testing wording, you can be testing pretty much anything. And so this is really going to change the game for our conversion rates. A lot of times we'll see large jumps, but more times than not, we'll see very small incremental. So it's the difference between having a 20% conversion rate and a 40% conversion rate. So that is super big. So let's definitely make sure that we're testing. So one of the awesome things about marketing pages is the tracking capabilities. So when people come to our website, whether they've come from social media, a direct link, they've come from email, they've come from advertising, whatever the case may be, we want to make sure that we know exactly who's come to our website and when they left. And we want to make sure that we can actually target them specifically because places like Facebook, Google, and YouTube are actually going to charge us less to retarget that customer. So the people who come to our website, we want to actually make sure that we communicate with them and say, hey, did you forget about this offer? Did you forget about this thing that you showed interest in? Hey, you showed interest in X, but we also have an offer for Y. Check this out. So this is super important as well. So ClickFunnels, this is one of my favorite ways to actually design landing pages. So there's tons of different ways to do this and create marketing pages, but my favorite of all time is ClickFunnels. So as you go into ClickFunnels a bit more, you'll see that there's a community, a Facebook group. You can answer any questions and all this other stuff. But I'm actually going to show you guys what ClickFunnels is more so and how it works. So it allows us to build advanced automated systems with ease. So this is super important. We want to make sure that we are utilizing our time and our efforts. So if we can take ourselves out of the rhythm of actually doing a lot of the things that are unnecessary for us to do, we can actually create an automated system that works even when we're asleep. So that is the beautiful thing about this. We can literally be acquiring customers, making sales, getting purchases while we are sleeping or while we're out at the beach or watching TV or with our family or whatever the case may be. So this is pretty awesome. So I'm going to go over a couple different examples for you guys. The first one I'm going to actually go through is the BGM example. So in this example, this is actually one of the clients that I work with. They wanted to offer personal training sessions for people in the California area. And this is how they look. So these are what our landing pages look like. Obviously, we can literally make these look exactly how we want them to, and I'll show you guys some examples. I actually show you guys how I build some of these. But as you can see, it's actually designed for a phone. So 90% of our users that we'll be acquiring, particularly for this campaign with through Facebook, we want to actually design a marketing page that actually fits for mobile users. So that was the big thing here. You want to make sure that you're actually going to adapt to the customer, right? Wherever your customer is hanging out, we have to make sure that we're actually creating a campaign that's designed for them specifically. So as you can see, this landing page is super simple and super straightforward. So it's designed for a mobile user. This particular campaign was designed for Facebook ads. So the people who are going to be coming to our website, 90% of them are going to be on their cell phone. So we want to make sure that we actually adapt to our customers and make sure that we make it easy for them. This way, our text and our images and stuff's not going to be all skewed and messed up and whatnot. It's going to look a little bit different on a mobile phone than it would actually look here. So I actually show you guys really quickly. This is a cool hack. You hit inspect, and you can actually look to see how a particular page is going to look on a cell phone. So this is what it'll look like on the iPhone 6, 7, and 8 or on the iPhone X. So this is actually what they're going to look like, right? You really won't even see all these images in the background, but just in case they are on a computer, we have something back there. But as you can see, this landing page is designed to sell. We don't have a bunch of links up here at the top, home, about, contact, and all that other stuff. We have a website for this business as well, which, people, if they want to go look up the website, they can do that, find more information. That's what the website's for. But this landing page that they'll find after clicking the link will literally only have what it is that we want them to see, right? This is the offer that we have for them. This is really what we want them to get the most out of. So we have the reviews, we have a little survey here. What do you have to lose? We have some time here. We have a little map as well. So as you can see, it's super, super simple. Let me show you guys some more examples. So this one actually is more website friendly. It's more so for desktop. But as you can see, so this is also made with ClickFunnels, as you see down here. And once again, I'm going to give you guys all of these templates, so you'll get all these for free. You'll get this. This is something I've never done before in terms of giving out free templates and websites and stuff. So I'm actually going to give you guys this entire template. You'll be able to come in, change every single word, every single color, every single image, background. You can literally do whatever it is that you want with some of this cool stuff. So this is another one, and here is another ClickFunnels website template that I'm going to give you guys. This is for real estate. So this is literally plug and play. If you're into real estate, you can literally plug and play these things. You can add in some of these super simple pictures. You can add in your description here. But as you can see, it's super user-friendly, super clean, sharp, and it's super easy to use. So I'm going to actually show you guys really quickly like how ClickFunnels works, what it looks like. So when you log in after you've created an account, this is what you'll see, right? Once you click on actually building and you're ready to actually build one of your funnels out, this is what it'll look like. So this is a two-step funnel. It's an opt-in page with a thank you page. If we want to add more pages, we can easily do so here. But this is really all that's necessary. So we talk about A/B testing. So say we want to test two different things. We literally would go create duplicate page from opt-in. So now we have two split pages, two pages that we can literally test. So say in this page, we want to test this purple background. In this page, we want to test a blue background for whatever reason. We want to literally test that. We can literally send 50-50 traffic. And so whenever someone comes to this page, 50% of them will go to this the control page, and 50% will go to the variation. And so once we actually have a lot of people coming in, we'll actually be able to go to our statistics, which will actually show us where we're getting the most, the best results, right? So page view, we had 1 here, 0 here. But this will actually allow us, when we get opt-ins, we'll actually know a very strong percentage of which website or which page actually is working better. So this is super, super important. If you're not taking advantage of split testing, chances are you're not actually getting the most possible bang for your buck. So highly suggest doing that. Let's jump into one of these pages, and I'll show you guys how easy this is to use. It's super, super simple. Literally, we can change pretty much anything just by clicking on it. Literally that simple. We want to bold some things, we can do that. We want to literally start making changes. We want to change the font, we can do that. Change the size. We can change the mobile size so that it's different from the actual desktop size. Text color, bold color, background color. We want to add some animation. We can do that. We want to make things a little taller or shorter. We can do that. We want some shadow. We can add some shadow to it. We can, things are pretty much endless with this particular software. That's what I love about ClickFunnels. It's going to allow you to do pretty much anything. So we can literally change these to pretty much any color. We want to change our images. We literally just click here and click on this, and that's going to take us to a basically gallery where we can add any of our images. We can find free images as well, and literally just plug them in. We want to add a background. Say we want to add a background to this image, and we want it to be, we want a better outline, so we want it circular. It's literally that simple. It's that easy. Same thing with these. Same thing. That simple. Yeah. So I think this is all pretty straightforward, guys. If there's anything else that you guys need help in terms of this, please let me know.
Like I said, this is one of the free templates that I'll give you guys. You click preview, boom. And this is going to give you a preview of what this actually is going to look like once we save it. It's not saved, so any changes to be made won't be made to it. But this is where we're going to be able to integrate some of our automation. Once we start talking about our email and text, we'll start plugging in our automation here, which will allow us to automatically send anybody who opts in for this stuff or for whatever it is that we're trying to offer. Once they give us their email or their phone number and their name, we'll actually be able to send them an automated message. The awesome thing about this is we are able to add our tracking codes in here. So when we talk about pixels and retargeting and making sure that the people who come to our website, we can retarget them. The SEO metadata, SEO is search engine optimization is really big. And then there's even custom CSS. So if you have some HTML you want to plug in here, this is really the way to go. You want to see what it looks like on mobile. This is what it's going to look like. And then you hit save and you have it. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Those were some quick examples of ClickFunnels. Once again, you guys can get all of these templates, all of these different links, all of these, pretty much everything that I've gone over in some of the videos moving forward and some of the ones previously. You will be able to get those 100% free. Hopefully this was super helpful and brought a lot of value for you guys. Quick reminder to subscribe and share these videos. I really appreciate that. In our next video of the Business Growth Guide, we will be on hack number 7, where we're talking about automation. This is going to be amazing for leveraging our time and really getting the most out of technology today. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next hack.